Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make toaster strudel in the microwave. First, grab a microwave-safe plate. It's crucial to remove your toaster strudel from its foil wrapper before placing it on the plate. Remember, never put foil in the microwave. Also, this method is specifically for the microwave, so avoid using a toaster oven or conventional oven for these instructions. For optimal results, heat only one toaster strudel at a time. Place it in the center of your microwave-safe plate. Microwave on high for about 10 to 15 seconds. Since microwave power varies, you might need to adjust the heating time slightly. Start with less time and add a few seconds if needed to reach your desired warmth. Once heated, carefully remove the warm strudel from the microwave. Be cautious, as it can be hot. Next, tear open the included frosting packet and squeeze it over the top of your strudel, spreading it evenly. For the best experience, let it cool for a moment or two before taking that first delicious bite. Enjoy your quick treat. Here are a few extra tips for your toaster strudel. Be careful not to overheat it, as this can make the pastry tough and less enjoyable. If you prefer a crispier texture, a traditional toaster or toaster oven is still the best option. Also, for those who love to read anywhere, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.